So coders, how are you? I think you all are doing great coding. Some of my subscribers asked me to make a video on the topic, how to add, subtract, multiply and divide using Python coding. So, on demand of our subscribers, in this video, I am going to show how to addition, subtract, multiply and divide using Python coding. In this video, I will do all addition, subtract, multiply and divide together simultaneously, other than making different videos for each math. This will save time of both you and mine. Before starting the video, please like the video, and subscribe the channel if you are new to our channel, and press the bell icon to never miss an update. So, without further wasting your time, let's start the video. So, first of all we have to take two variables. Let the first variable be x. Here you can take any variable. So, x equal to int, open a bracket, input, again open a bracket, quotation mark, enter the first number, then close the quotation mark and brackets. Then, again same but the variable should be different. Here I am taking y. Now, let us first do the addition. Now, we have to take another variable. Here I am taking s equal to x plus y. Then, print. The addition of this number is comma, s. Now, let us do the subtraction. Let us take a equal to x minus y. Then, print, the subtraction of this number is comma, a. Now, let us multiply the numbers. Let us take m equal to x, multiply with y. Then, print, the multiplication of these numbers is comma, m. Now let us do divide. Let us take d equal to x divided by y. Then, print, the division of these numbers is comma, d. Now check the coding very carefully. Now, if we run the program, it will show, enter the first number. Here I have entered 90. Then, we have to enter the second number, here 5. Then, it will show all the answers that what will be the answer if we add, subtract, multiply, or divide the numbers. Let's run the program again. Let us enter first number be 45,356. And second number be 2,384. And here is the result. Here, you can enter any number, and it will show the answer. So, here is the full Python coding to add, subtract, multiply or divide numbers. So, if you have learned something from this video, please click on the like button. And don't forget to subscribe, if you are new to the channel. Also, share it with your friends. And that's it for today's video. Let's meet on the next one. Till then, bye bye.